Hello, everyone. Welcome. This episode of the Baha'i Faith channel commemorates the passing of Jim Seals, vocalist of the 1970s soft rock duo Seals and Crofts. Both Jim Seals and Dash Crofts were members of the Baha'i Faith. Seals passed away today at the age of 80. May his spirit rest in peace. In loving memory of both Jim Seals and Dash Crofts, two Baha'i songs sung by the duo will be played. They are called The Garden of Rizwan and We Are One.
Gathered now at the mystic hour in the garden of Rizwan, circling around his blessed tent in the garden of Rizwan, and the nightingales sing, and the souls are on fire, as the crimson-colored ark sets sail in the presence of the best beloved of the worlds, in the garden of Rizwan. The fragrance of the rose is strong in the garden of Rizwan. The friends are silent, struck with awe in the garden of Rizwan, as the Ancient of Days lifts the myriad veils of light, and the new creation sings with joy in the presence of the best beloved of the world, in the garden of Rizwan. The Lord of names ascends his throne in the 12 days of Rizwan, approaching now and quaff your fill in the garden of Rizwan. Everlasting life from the hands of his grace, bestowed upon all humankind in the presence of the best beloved of the world, in the garden of Rizwan. In a bombed out room in Belfast, a young boy is crying. He's alone and he don't understand how the teachings of one book built on love and understanding, could cause the hurt and killing in his land. In an old part of Jerusalem, two children are playing. They run and laugh the way that it should be. But one will wear the star, and one will wear the crescent. They'll grow up and change from friends to enemies, but we are one. The flowers of one garden were one, the leaves of one tree. Let the walls come down and stand here together. We are one family. In a Pakistani village, a young boy on crutches takes a fall and lies helplessly there. And he holds out his hand, but no one will take him. They won't touch him or the clothes that he wears. On a side street in Selma, a black child is sitting in a squad car, protected from the whites. 'Cause they're burning a cross to send her a message, and you can see the fear in her eyes. But we are one. The flowers of one garden were one, the leaves of one tree. Let the walls come down and stand here together. We are one family. Ponder in our hearts how we were all created from the same dust, same dust. Searching we will find that the spirit of the age has come to find us, find us. We are one. Flowers of one garden were one, the leaves of one tree. Let the